From the moment we opened our doors a day early to minister to the needs of families impacted by the tragic New London explosion, to the modern-day Center for Pastoral and Spiritual Care, providing emotional, spiritual, and religious counseling to thousands of members of our community, CHRISTUS Trinity Mother Francis Health System has been committed to whole-person care, the healing of the mind, body, and spirit.
Pastoral and spiritual care is at the heart of Jesus' healing ministry. Holistic care is the foundation upon which Christus Health is rooted. Extending the healing ministry of Jesus Christ goes much further than caring only for physical affliction. Our pastoral and spiritual care touches people at the deepest level of their existence and strives to address their physical, mental, and spiritual healing and restoration in the same way that Christ did. Christus Health is a community of healing and compassion that connects to and flows directly from our sponsoring congregation's heritage to serve everyone, especially the most poor and vulnerable. The rich heritage of the founder and the foundress of our sponsoring congregations calls us to honor their legacy by living out our core values of dignity, integrity, excellence, compassion, and stewardship.
This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad. I'm Sister Małgorzata Majszczyk, known as Sister Margot. I belong to the community of the Sisters of the Holy Family of Nazareth. And today I have a privilege to share about the sisters who were called by God to serve the people of Tyler and East Texas. On March 16, 1981, Sister Concilia was asked to create a pastoral care department for Mother Francis Hospital. She had been working in radiology, and this new journey would involve her going back to school and starting a new career. After much prayer and reflection, she agreed and was appointed Director of Pastoral Care Department, a position she held until her retirement in May 2003. After 45 years of her ministry at Mother Francis Hospital, she once said, "I realize that love is calling me wherever I am sent, so I take one day at a time, dear Lord." And the Lord, in His infinite wisdom, took Sister's yes and turned her life around in the opposite direction, from radiology to the graced experience of pastoral care. I believe that Mother Francis, Sister Concilia, and all the sisters are smiling from heaven and rejoicing that the legacy of love lives on at CHRISTUS Trinity Mother Francis Health System. I have come to love pastoral care ministry, and I pray in thanksgiving for God's graces upon all of us, asking God to bless our new Center for Pastoral and Spiritual Care and all of us as we continue to extend the healing ministry of Jesus Christ. God loves you, and I love you too.
Members of the pastoral care team daily offer the healing ministry of Jesus Christ to our patients, their families, and our associates and caregivers. In 2020 alone, the team of full-time chaplains, along with the resident members of the Clinical Pastoral Education Program, provided emotional, spiritual, and religious counseling with over 15,000 encounters with patients, their families, and other members of the community, and over 10,000 encounters with our associates and providers. CHRISTUS Mother Francis Hospital Tyler offers an exceptional pastoral training program called Clinical Pastoral Education, also called CPE. Accredited by the Association of Clinical Pastoral Education, the CPE program is an immersive educational experience in which one learns from doing the actual work of chaplaincy and shares those experiences with a peer group and ACPE certified educators. The hospital is an intensive environment which is demanding in terms of time, energy, and spiritual rigor. Our residents function as professionals who are part of the multidisciplinary team. Graduates have gone on to work in chaplaincy positions from CHRISTUS Health, as well as in other medical institutions and in various forms of ministry. We are so grateful for this new pastoral and spiritual care center. Now the pastoral care chaplains can be more connected, united in the heart of our Tyler Hospital campus. The new center will allow increased access for those in need and provide a unified space for communication, education, contemplation for our chaplains. Jesus Christ calls us to share the suffering, hope, and joy of others. This ministry challenges us to support one another and to collaborate with the wider community in promoting the dignity of persons of every age, culture, and state of life. This new center will help us continue a tradition of caring that is unsurpassed.
And so our focus has been, since 1937, to extend the healing ministry of Jesus Christ. Appropriately, we end this video with a prayerful reminder to you from the Apostle Paul. May your spirit, soul, and body be well.